Do you know you can create super successful business by tapping into the right mindset with the right strategy, with the right tool, right? Understand one thing very clearly. You might be learning new strategies, you might be learning new tools, you might be learning new ways to promote various of products or various of services or whatever you are doing in the business. But until and unless you have the right mindset, you have the right wiring in your brain, you won't be able to succeed in the business. And this is the same thing which happened with me for a years, maybe 5 to 6 years. I'm doing affiliate marketing, I'm doing digital marketing from my college days, and I know each and everything in and out a little bit. And as compared to other people, because I was doing it from a longer period of time, but the issue what I was facing, nothing was reflecting on my bank account. And yes, there is a issue. And in this particular video I won't be sharing any of the strategy, any of the tool, but set how you can imprint right mindset, because mindset is the thing which is giving results, right? No strategy, no skills won't work if you have the wrong mindset. With the help of right mindset, you will be able to achieve any result. If you have the right mindset, you can achieve any goal, right? In this particular video I will be talking about how you can eliminate the wrong belief system which was in our mind from years, and it was created when we were in childhood, or maybe due to some circumstances, or maybe some relatives, some of the family members, they said you cannot do that, you cannot become that, it is too high to achieve that goal, or whatever. There are wrong belief system which was imprinted in our mind. So I will be talking about this principle and how you can just eliminate every single barrier to succeed in the business for a longer period of time. So before going ahead, those people who are watching me for the very first time, I am Tapesh, and in this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, entrepreneurship, and how you can create multiple sources of income for yourself. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also press on bell icon so that whenever I release new videos I can send notification to you people. Number one thing, what we need to understand, how negative beliefs is impacting, how negative beliefs are impacting in our business, and how it is impacting in our personal life. Understand your business, you are not creating the business, you are the business, and you are creating yourself. Business is just an outcome of your work. Number is money, or the numbers, whatever you are generating. It can be the results, it can be the numbers, it can be the revenue, it can be the commission, whatever. This is just to measure the amount of success what you are doing. It is just a result, and it's just nothing but a scorecard in the business. Money, the revenue, the fame, the name, whatever you are doing, it's nothing but the scorecard. Remember that. And yes, you are not creating business, you are creating yourself. Business is just a byproduct. And understand, if you do not have the right mindset, if you do not have the right tendency to do the business, if you do not have the right intention of the work, whatever you are doing, then you won't be able to succeed in the long term. The number one thing what you have to do to remove the negative belief, you need to write it down. So understand one thing very clearly, even if you do not have the wrong beliefs, let's say, just to give you an example, people will say, I do not have money, I do not have time, I do not have right skills, I do not have this, I do not have that. Understand, resource is not the issue, being resourcefulness is the issue. I'm repeating it again, resource is not the issue, being resourcefulness is the issue. In this entire world, if you are going to any of the crowded place of your city and just look for the people around that particular area, or maybe anyone who you know, they are generating money by providing service or product. You can only earn money by selling your service, by selling your product. And the amount of money you are generating in your life by it's directly proportional to the service or product whatever you are selling, or whatever you are serving to the community, to the society. So if you do not have the right intent, if you do not have the right mindset to do the business, then you won't be able to sustain for a longer period of time. So number one thing, you need to understand what is your wrong belief system. So maybe in my case, let's say for an example, I do not have money, I do not have have time, I do not have various of tools, I do not have skills. So all the things whatever you have, what you are saying that I do not have this, I do not have that, this is manageable. If you understand that I do not have money, that's okay, fine. If I can serve people, I can get money, fine, that is okay. If you are thinking that I do not have time to create or maybe create a business, or maybe to work for a dream project, or maybe if you are willing to do something but you do not think, you do not have the time, and you are thinking that I need more and more time for this particular thing. But understand, you do not have to be the great, you do not have to be the resourceful to start any of the work. You have to start to become great. You have to start from today, you have to start from this week. Just plan and schedule what you want to do and how you want to do. And most important part, you need to understand, you need to give permission to yourself that yes, I am worthy enough, I am talented enough, I'm grounded enough to help people. So you need to give permission to yourself very first, and once you understand what is your drawback, what is your negative beliefs, then only you will be able to work on this, work on your yourself. This is the most important thing. The second thing, what you have to understand, what is your goal. You have to determine, you have to set a goal. Maybe down the line you want to earn maybe 1 lakh in a month, or maybe you want to earn 5 lakhs in a month, maybe you want to earn 10 lakhs, or whatever maybe the number is. So you need to set a goal and understand the big goals, the big numbers. It won't be able to happen overnight, it won't be able to manifest overnight, and you need to work on that. So if you have a goal, then if you are steadily working on your goal, then definitely you will be able to reach. And understand, if you are giving the right input to yourself. So what I do, just to give the right input into my mind, that I write affirmations, I read affirmations every single day. No matter what, after waking up, I read 5 pages of affirmations. I have printed something like this kind of a book, and I have just written down few of affirmations, and I read it every day, every day after waking up from the sleep. And I write goals. So goals are in present tense. So let's say, for example, I have just written today morning itself, something like I am living in the posh area of Bangalore, because I am from Bangalore. And okay, few of my personal goals, but yeah, you just get it right. So something like I live in an area where surrounded by successful people, or maybe something like I live a joyful life, I travel the world whenever I want, I just do not think about money, or do not think about money which is in the bank before buying anything. I have every resources to help people. I am grounded enough, I am spiritual enough to reach out to more people, to connect more people, or something like that. This is my personal stuff, by the way. So you can write it down in your own way. So this is what you are rewiring your brain. So by this, what will it will help, it will create an mindset of abundance, and you will be able to see many things are manifesting in your life. And understand one thing, if you are writing your goals, your mind will start vibrating in that way, that yes, as I said, I live in a posh area of some area, or maybe I live in an area surrounded by successful people. So these are all things which is giving the right intent into my mind, and it is also helping me to think in that frequency which I want to be in my life, right? So writing affirmations, then reading affirmations, writing goals, and also I do one more thing, that is listening to one audio, that is Strangest Secret of the World. If you search in YouTube, you will find that, and this will give you some insight. And every day I just listen 1 or 2 podcasts related to business, related to mindset, related to spirituality. So you can just select as per your requirement, as per your need. But if you are listening to the right information, so understand, we all are driven by our mindset, right? So whatever actions you are taking, it's driven by mindset. And if you are not giving the right food, if you are not giving the right ingredients to your mind to grow, then it won't grow, right? In the same way, like if you plant a seed, if you are not nurturing, if you are not giving water it to every day, if you are not what is called giving fertilizer, or maybe giving right input to that particular seed, then it won't be able to grow faster, right? The same way, if you are not giving right input to your mind, then it won't be it won't grow, it won't be able to grow farther, it won't be able to grow in a bigger way, right? You got my point. Though it's always work in progress mode. There is nothing called yes I did it, but yes, this is what I have seen in my personal life. Again, as I have mentioned, that I was knowing all the strategies of digital marketing, I was knowing all the strategies of affiliate marketing, but nothing was reflecting in my bank account. The reason was my mindset was not aligned with that. Now I can see, yes, after applying all the strategies, all the mindset stuffs, and after implementing everything into my business, I can see some of the revenues started coming into my bank account, which is really you can say really a blessings. And I'm just grateful for all the success, and all the success are attribute to my mentors. So today whatever I am here, just because of my mentors, because I followed them. I have few mentors in my life, and I followed them, and I followed them blindly, and they are dedicated enough. Just they have given their best, and I'm blessed, I'm grateful. And I think I was able to give you a little bit overview of what I do, just to improve my mindset, and just to remove my negative beliefs, and just to visualize my future, just to visualize my dreams. And these are all pretty much thing what you have to do. And if you do this for next 30 days, at least you will be able to see some positive outcome into your life. At least you will be starting vibrating in the different level. This is something powerful which you should do. I think I was able to give you a little bit overview how you can just change the mindset, how you can rewire your mindset for the success, and it will definitely help you. I hope I was able to give you some insight about my mindset and how I work on my mindset. And if you start doing it, you will be able to amazed by the result whatever you are going to achieve in your life. So thank you so much for watching this particular video. Even if you haven't subscribed, make sure subscribe to this particular channel, and also press on bell icon, so that whenever I release new videos I can send notification to you people. So till then, stay safe. Bye bye.